Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to clear format in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the then show the format this format from the clear. Now select from the all table. Now click for the clear option. Now click for the clear format option. That's it. Then I show the clear from the format. Select. That's it. Then I show the clear format in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for